episode in our little series of making a bra. In the first episode we cut out all our fabrics and we started with the basic construction of our bra. So we put our bra together. I've got a sample of one here, and I will insert some clips as well of the one that we've been putting together and where we have got to. And the place where we left off, we'd done all the hand stitching. So I'd done all the hand basting of my bra, and we also put in the channeling for the underwire, and that's where we left off. So today is going to focus on the elastics and the finishing of the bra and all the extra stitches that we need to get the construction elements together for the bra. Look at things like a little bit of pattern cutting, which I also teach in my bra classes, and a little bit of problem solving as well. So if you make this bra, which I always say it's a toile art, but for us it's a beautiful toile because we're using really nice fabrics. And if you come into some problems, to give you some basic pattern cutting information so that you know how to be able to resolve those issues. But I'm always at the end of social media. You can always send me an email, you can look me up on Facebook and other social, or you can send me a message on here as well. Feel free to drop me information in the comments. If you want to use cut and sew foam, we're going to cover that in the final episode as well. I'm also going to put all the clips together and do like an extended version, so you can watch the whole bra making episode all together as one whole video, which will be about 15 minutes long if you want to watch it. So you've got the option there. You can watch the whole series as one, or you can watch it as 3 separate clips. Okay, so enough of me talking, over to the video.